Is Windows Update showing? Device is missing important security updates. Again and again, here's the truth. This error can leave your PC open to hackers. But don't worry, if you follow this video till the end, I will show you the exact fix that works 100%, even if nothing else worked before. So, let's begin. Welcome to Infotrix, where we solve digital problems with simple and smart solutions. Sometimes, the troubleshooter will fix your issue alone. For that, click on the Start menu and click on the Settings options. And here you can find the troubleshooter. Click here, Troubleshoot. And you can find this option, Additional Troubleshooter. Click here. And here, Windows Update. Click Run the Troubleshooter. It will detect your all problems and try to fix it. After complete the troubleshooting, close this window and reboot your PC. If this is not work, follow the next step. Go to Start menu and click here for Settings option. Go to Update and Security. Click here and click here Windows Security. You can find this option Virus and Threat Protection. Click here. And then click Manage Settings and turn on the real-time protection options. Then close the window and reboot your system and try to update your PC. If this step not work, follow the next one. First, go to click the Start menu, type here Services, and all the service window open here and find the option Windows Update. Here is Windows Update, double click on it, and here you can select the option Automatic and start this option. Again, stop it. Start it again and apply and OK. And another option you will find Windows Background Intelligence Services. Find these options and double click on it. Same thing here, select Automatic. Click Start and then click Stop and again start these options and apply and OK. After complete this step, reboot your system and try to update your PC. If this not work, follow the next step. Click on the Start menu and click on Settings and go to Windows and Security options. Here you can find Windows Update History. Click here. Find the latest update here and uninstall the updates. After uninstall your latest update, reboot your PC and try to update your PC. If not work, follow the next step. Go to the Start menu and type here Services and open the Services options. From this window, you have to find this option Windows Update and double click on it. And here, select Disable options and click Apply. Click Stop the Services. Don't close this window. Leave this window as it is and click these PC options and type here the file path code is C:/Windows/SoftwareDistribution and click Enter. And you can find these types of file and delete all the files. And then here select Automatics and apply and start and OK. Then close the window and reboot your PC and try to update your PC. If this step not work, follow the next one. Click on the Start menu and here type command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator and say yes. And here type this code SFC/scan now and hit enter. You have to need some times to complete these options. It will scan and repair all bad sectors and fix your problems. After complete the scan, close the command prompt window and reboot your PC and try to update your PC. So that's it. If you followed all the steps, your Windows update error should now be fixed and your PC is secure again. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to Infotrix for more Windows system and security fixes. Comment below if you want a video on fixing Windows update stuck at 0% and mention in the comment which steps are workable for you.